verse 10. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Test me in this, says the Lord Almighty, and see if I will not throw open the floodgates of heaven and pour out so much blessings that there will not be enough room to store. Malachi chapter 3 verse 10. La bazalwane sibona afuna ngayo ukuthi when we bring tithe into the house of the Lord, simtest. Let us test him ukuthi angeke asenzele okukhulu na. And yesterday when umfundisi was preaching, he said we should die to self. Today benifuna ukuthi I wanted to approach this message ngendlela ukuthi uNkulunkulu if there's ukuthi give tithe into the storehouse. Meaning, the storehouse is where there's everything. Like, I can tell you. So, today, when we tithe, you know, we're going to get our cars, we're going to get everything. But Lana, it's really not about us. I'm sure Israel we were dying to self. But you know, it's really not about us anymore. So, bring the whole tithe in the storehouse that there may be food in my house. So once Tina Sitala taking care of what is God, then he will be able to and there's plenty. Like in the storehouse, I go into any. So if Tina, we are failing to trust God with the little that we have and expect him to upgrade the floodgates of heaven, how is that possible? Because first bring and then we need. And I got into ask God. And if God asks for something, trust me, He's there to multiply whatever He's asking for. Because Abraham and to our surprise, Undodana didn't become the sacrifice, but a ram did. So there's something greater that He wants to do. So if today we can come with that mentality when we come to bring our offering or our tithe, and He wants to multiply that He's asking for. So I'm trying to and know that He will open the floodgates of heaven because